going to add my ham hock, submerge it in the water. Next, I'm going to add my seasonings. Okay, I'm going to add a dash of curry powder, a dash of allspice, a dash of black pepper, a dash of iodized salt. I'm going to drop in my ham base powder. Next, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Next, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic, just to season it up. Now I'm going to add some of my peppers, just about that much, not a whole lot. Just give it a little kick. And I'm going to stir it just a little. Get all the ingredients in there together. It's going to melt in my crock pot. I just turned it on. So when I come back in the morning, I'm going to come back around 7 o'clock in the morning. Right now, it's almost 6 o'clock in the evening on it, where I'm at in the world. Now, when I had parboiled the black beans for about an hour, I added a little bit of adobo, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of black pepper, and that was it. I submerged it in water, and I cooked it on a nice high simmer for about 1 hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the crock pot on to high. Here you see I have it on high. So I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to let it go. See you in the morning. Okay, here's the crock pot. We're ready for the big reveal. Ooh, look at all that steam. And there is the ham hock and the black beans simmering. Slow cook. Alright. We're gonna dig in soon, but I want to cook some rice first. I want to show you the rice I'm going to cook. This is the rice that I'm going to cook to go with my ham hocks and black beans. Alright. It is a long grain sweet rice. And it's very, very soft and tasty. And those of you who can read this language, let's see what it is. Alright. Now I'm going to show you. This is the consistency of it. It's a long grain sweet rice. And it's very, very delicious. I'm really not going to add a whole lot to it. Just some water. Yeah. I'm not going to add any salt or any butter. I'm just going to cook it in plain water. Because it has enough body and flavor of its own. I want to taste that rice. I don't want to taste anything else but rice. Okay, my water's boiling. I'm going to add about 2 cups of long grain sweet rice. Add my rice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a lid on it. I'm going to turn the fire back down to a mid-simmer. And I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes. That I use today. I bought them at my local Full Lion. They're black beans. They're great buy. 110 calories. They have potassium, 410 milligrams, and iron, 20%. And It's a little 16-ounce, 1-pound bag of black beans. And what I do is I stock up on all my beans because protein is really, really good. If you're a diabetic, protein, vegetables, and fruit is very, very good for you. They keep your blood sugars in control and low. Also, beans or lentils are a good source of anti-aging and keeps you young forever. So, you know, get your lima beans, your pinto beans, your black beans, all types of lentils you can think of, and be happy. Think of some good recipes that you could enjoy with your family and explore with your family. Just get in the kitchen and have fun. Have fun and explore it. I say that to all the ladies and the men, the boys and the girls. There is no race, no gender in the kitchen. Just cook. And if you're willing to cook and willing to make it taste good and put your heart and soul into it to make it taste good and that love, people will enjoy it time after time. Get in the kitchen and cook. I do also have long grain brown rice. For those of you who don't want to use white rice, I do have it. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. That's brown rice. Before they take the husk off and grind it. That's brown rice. Yep. Okay. So those of you who are being health conscious and you want that long grain brown rice, it's sodium free, gluten free. Some people can't have the gluten and the sodium. So it's a great choice. A lot of older people know what this is. This is Jiffy corn mix. It is a pre-packaged corn mix that people make, used to make a lot. Back in the day, a lot of people have gotten away from it and started from scratch, getting back to the old ways of just doing it from scratch. But those of you who are you want a quick fix, and you're pressed for time, and you really don't want to bust out the cornmeal, the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and all that, butter, your buttermilk. So. Or those of you who don't know how to make it, but you love some good cornbread, you can tweak it a little. I'll show you one time how to tweak it just a little bit to make it taste very, very yummy. So, this is what it is. America's favorite Jiffy cornbread. Alright, here it is. Ooh, that's without all the steam. Now, all those ingredients will go good with these black beans and ham hocks. I'm going to show you just a little bit of this ham hock. Oh, it's tender. Oh, look how tender it is. Look at that meat. What did you say? See that meat? Oh, look at that meat. Some more black beans. Ooh, that's going to be good. This is going to be my breakfast. Ham hocks and black beans for breakfast, yes. Oh boy. Girl, what you talking about? Me smacking the day. We'll be right back. Okay, it's in the morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. And I want some tea. So this is some cozy chamomile herbal tea, and it's a really good tea. It's really good to help you go to sleep, but I know it's chamomile and it will help you go to sleep. But I'm gonna drink it anyway right now because I really want some tea and I don't have any more black pico tea.